Book 9 of Paradise Lost is the poem's turning point, where harmony gives way to tragedy. Night falls in Eden as Satan slips in, no longer a radiant rebel, but a mist that creeps into a serpent's body. Moving through paradise, he mourns heaven and admits that revenge tastes better, yet he chooses evil again. Morning comes. Adam and Eve leave their bower to tend the garden, and Eve suggests they work apart to be more efficient. Adam hesitates, sensing danger, but yields when Eve challenges his trust. The separation seems minor, but it creates the conditions for the fall. Satan finds Eve alone. He pauses, struck by her beauty, then presses on. Speaking as the serpent, he flatters her, amazes her with speech, and claims he gained reason by eating from the tree of knowledge. Eve resists at first, repeating God's command, but Satan refrains obedience as limitation. He minimizes the threat of death and promises godlike understanding. Reason itself is bent to serve desire. Eve eats. The act is small, but it shifts authority from God to self. Afterwards, she brings the fruit to Adam, driven by love, fear of separation, and a new sense of elevation. Adam knows the choice is wrong, yet he eats anyway, unwilling to imagine life without her. What looks noble by human standards is for Milton disobedience. The effects are immediate. Their love turns from rational harmony into restless appetite. Shame replaces innocence, and they hide their bodies with fig leaves. Soon they quarrel, trading blame instead of shared responsibility. Even nature reacts. The earth trembles and storms gather, marking the fall as a cosmic rupture, not a private mistake. Milton uses this book to define freedom. True freedom is not autonomy without limits, but the ability to choose rightly within divine order. Book 9 shows how temptation works, how love can become idolatry, and how inner sin instantly reshapes bodies, relationships, and the world itself.